What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Wanzo coming back to you with another video. Um, Guys, this video today is about the upcoming Bitcoin futures that are supposed to begin tomorrow, the 10th. And just voicing my personal opinion because I know what futures are. As somebody that as someone that dealt with precious metals like I did, which I've since currently liquidated the majority of it. I have probably around 10% left of what I used to have. I've sold off about 90% of my precious metals at a loss, by the way, because when you sell gold or silver, they pay you the spot price of the metal itself, but usually you end up losing something that's called a premium. Okay, like let's just say spot price of silver is $20, and this is just an example, and you go to sell your silver eagle, okay, and the price of a silver eagle is, let's say, $25. Okay, so $5 above spot. When you go to sell, that's what you paid for it, $25. When you go to sell your silver eagle, you usually get paid spot plus like $1. So you're gonna get back $21, unless it's something that's vastly appreciated because of, let's say, maybe there was an error on the coin made that maybe the year comes out backwards. And this is just an example again. Futures are basically paper contracts of a commodity. For example, this is something that's basically destroyed the gold and silver market, because we all know that there's a limited supply of gold and silver. Okay, there isn't billions and billions and trillions of ounces of either metal. But if you were to calculate, okay, and this is well known, if you were to calculate at times the amount of futures, paper contracts that have been traded, let's say, in one day, it may end up being as much as billions, okay? I'm talking billions of dollars worth of contracts. I don't like how this is entering the crypto sphere, the crypto world. I think personally that this could potentially damage Bitcoin. I know there was a lot of hype leading up to it. There was a lot of fucking FOMO. Okay, where you see here, Bitcoin reached an enormous price. Okay, let's check that out real quick. Look at that! Look at that hockey stick. I mean, that doesn't look sustainable to me. I mean, and I ain't no expert, but I'm assuming that there's going to be a massive correction. Okay, let's check this out here. What did it hit? 18,328. Okay, is what it hit on December 8th at 1:39 Universal Time. Okay, and right now we're looking at 14.5. The FOMO's dying off. Okay, it's starting to correct from what I can tell, and this was expected. But as far as futures are concerned, futures are basically a contract, okay, that you're promising to buy or sell something at a predetermined price in the future. Okay, Bitcoin is, in my opinion, I can't really say that it's not manipulatable because I think we've seen manipulation already, with that Bitcoin Cash incident we had back in, mid-November, and where we had, this shit going on now. Okay, who knows what kind of money was pumping into the markets. I mean, we know that a lot of it was coming from Korea, from the Korean exchanges and such. But I personally don't think that the futures coming into crypto, specifically Bitcoin, is a good thing. I think that this could potentially damage Bitcoin. I mean, it's not for sure because I don't know for sure, but I don't think this is good. Okay, because I've dealt with futures, I've seen how it's suppressed prices for gold and silver. Okay, I mean, gold is worth 1250. Okay, on average on a given day. Okay, and there is there is substantially less silver than gold because so much silver is being consumed in electronics, computers, even medicines. Okay, why is silver, which is a metal that is decreasing in amount by big numbers, worth so much less than gold? If anything, okay, silver should be 1/10, at the very least 1/10 the price of gold. So at the very least, silver should be $120 an ounce, but it's not. It's being suppressed. It's at $15. Okay, $15. It's just fucking insane. The manipulation that goes on with precious metals involving futures. And like I said, I just don't think that this is a good thing for Bitcoin. I hope I'm wrong. I hope that Bitcoin is able to bust out of this like it has with just about everything else. Okay, because that's one thing that we've seen is you can't stop Bitcoin. Okay? And I'm not saying that futures is going to stop Bitcoin. What I'm saying is that it could potentially suppress it like it has with basically everything else. Not just gold and silver, but there's futures contracts in frickin' everything. Oil, food, milk, everything. Water. Okay, it's just stupid. But anyway, this is just my opinion. Okay. There are things that I'm doing to hedge against this possible suppression in Bitcoin. Okay, one of the things that I'm doing is investing money in Bitconnect. Okay, because Bitconnect is like a hedge. Okay, because you're getting paid in dollars. Okay, your loans, and if futures contract suppresses Bitcoin, and let's just say you lose, like we see here, 10%, that's not going to affect your Bitconnect loan. Okay, if anything, the volatility in Bitcoin, okay, that 10% drop is going to, let's go here to Bitconnect, the volatility calculator. If anything, what that's going to do is that's going to turn out to be a 1.25%, 1.5% interest payday. And for myself, that's very profitable. See? The volatility in Bitcoin, okay, gives you massive payouts. All right? That's one thing that I am doing, okay, to hedge against this. Even though I started doing it, going on 2 months, but still, This can be used as a hedge. Okay, and the other thing that I'm going to be doing is I didn't get a chance to purchase those ASIC miners that I wanted to. I ended up falling asleep on the couch, and I woke up. It was like 3 a.m. and I missed the party. So I was kind of pissed off about that. So I just ended up going to bed. But I mean, not all is lost. Things can still be done. I'm sure there's going to be an upswing in Bitcoin. Probably who knows when, but maybe in the next week or so. So I don't think that the boat's gone by totally, but those are the things that I'm going to be doing. You know, it's not really advice for you guys because, like I said, I don't give advice here, and if I've never said it, I'm saying it now. But if you want to imitate what I do, then you may be happy with the results. So I mean, that's pretty much what all I got to say. I still have my referral payback going on. That's not going to change. So if you want to invest in Bitconnect and you use my link, it'll be in the description along with the details on the referral paybacks. Go for it, okay? And I will pay you back. The amount of money that I get paid on your first loan. And if you want to use Coinbase, which in my opinion is the best, to convert your fiat into crypto, whether you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, then use my link as well. And we both get $10 in free Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it, guys. Those are just my views on these futures contracts. These are my opinions, with my past experience. And I'm just saying, keep a real close eye on the markets and Bitcoin once this begins, because it could go down south pretty quick. All right, guys. Peace.